The two-kingdom system. A Swedish scientist named Carolus Linnaeus came up with a way to classify or group all living things into two kingdoms in 1758. Plantae, this kingdom included all plants which were organisms that did not move and made their own food through photosynthesis. Animalia, this kingdom included all animals which were organisms that could move but could not make their own food. Linnaeus's system of classification. After dividing all living things into two kingdoms, Plantae and Animalia, Linnaeus developed a system for organizing organisms within each kingdom. He created a hierarchy with different levels called taxonomic ranks to group organisms based on their similarities. Did you know? Taxonomy is the scientific study of naming, defining, and classifying groups of biological organisms based on shared characteristics. It is the branch of science concerned with the classification of organisms. At the top of the hierarchy is the kingdom, the broadest category. As you move down the hierarchy, the groups get smaller and the organisms within them share more features. 1. Kingdom, the most general category, like plantae, plants, or animalia, animals. 2. Divisions, phylum. In the plant kingdom, the next level of classification is called a division, while in the animal kingdom, it is known as a phylum, plural, phyla. This level groups organisms based on major body plans or structural features. 3. Class. Each phylum or division is divided into classes. For example, the class Mammalia within the phylum Chordata includes all mammals. 4. Order. A class is further divided into orders. An order groups organisms that share more specific characteristics within a class. 5. Family. Orders are divided into families. Members of a family are very similar in structure and often share more precise characteristics. For instance, the family Felidae includes cats. 6. Genus. Each family is divided into genera, singular genus. Members of a genus are even more closely related. For example, the genus Panthera includes lions, tigers, and leopards. 7. Species. The most specific level of classification is the species. Members of a species are very similar, share common traits, and can interbreed to produce fertile offspring. For instance, Panthera leo refers to lions. Remembering the levels of classification can be challenging, but using a mnemonic can make it easier. Here is a simple mnemonic to help you recall the order of the taxonomic hierarchy, from the broadest to the most specific level. King Philip came over for good soup. Each word in this sentence stands for a level of classification. K. Kingdom. P. Phylum. C. Class. O. Order. F. Family. G. Genus. S. Species. Limitations of the two-kingdom classification. The two-kingdom classification system had several drawbacks. Misclassification. Bacteria and fungi were placed in the plant kingdom, while protozoans were classified as animals. Many of these organisms have characteristics that do not fit neatly into either category. Fungi, which lack chlorophyll and cannot photosynthesize, were wrongly classified as plants. Early animals. The earliest life forms were neither plants nor animals. posing a challenge for this system. Slime molds. Slime molds were grouped with plants despite having animal-like characteristics at certain stages. Bacteria. Bacteria were classified as plants due to their cell walls despite significant differences. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes. The system did not differentiate between organisms with and without a defined nucleus. Viruses. Viruses were not included as they did not fit into either kingdom and were poorly understood.